Okay, I'm going to do another unboxing, only for the simple reason is I don't even know what's in here. I got a rough idea, I know what I've ordered, but I don't know what to expect. So I thought I'd bring you along, you'd probably like it. I don't know. I think that's sealed there. Cut my hands off. I don't know if you've seen one of these before, or you've heard of one. Any ideas? It's got a sharp point on the end, so it's got like a spongy cork. You could probably guess, can you? It's stuck on there or something. Ooh, I didn't know you got that. Carry bag. What else we got? In it. That's about it. Nothing else. Here's the cap. I think something dropped on the floor. Oh, there we go. There's another cap. Right. We guessed it yet? You must have guessed it by now. Ah, this will give it away. Look at those beauts. Stainless steel. I'll show you that in a second. Put that out the way. Oh, I think I've got some somewhere. I'll have to go and fetch them because we've got to see it working, haven't we? D. Looks like it just takes two by the look of it. There you go. Okay. And then fits on like that. Ah, that's weird. So why has it got a thread on the end? Oh, I know. Right, so let's get these out. No, that's interesting. So why has it got a thread on the end? Doesn't thread into that, does it? So let's look. See, I'm new. I told you I hadn't opened it before. No, so that's got to go in there. Let me check the box. Okay, I'm going to do one of the worst things that a man could ever do. Look at the instructions. Actually, it doesn't do anything. It just sits there. So why has it got a thread on the end? I haven't got a clue. I think it can't go anywhere, can it? There's not much in... That's all you get. Thank you for purchasing your new campfire and fire rotisserie set. I'm sure you can imagine the results already. Right, got all that. So it can't go anywhere, but that rod. Weird. Nature instructions: just slide the Rossetti motor over the blanket, plug in electrical outlet. Doesn't say. Let's have a quick look. Well, I can't go in there, so tighten that one up. Can't see me, I'll come back now. There we go. See that? Yeah. Tighten that one up. And that's it really. If you put that there, so I don't know why. Not many videos on these, so that'll just sit like that, and then let's see if this works, shall we? Bear with me, hold that up. Well, there you go. Oh, I'm going to enjoy doing this. You see that? Yeah. I can't see anything missing. I'll have a quick look now, and if not, give me a second. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I have no idea what that thread's on the end for. There's nothing missing. So, not that I can see. So take it out. Disassemble. What I'll do is push these prongs together, like so, and then it should go in the bag without jamming, and that's it. So there you go, 1, 2 piece. Put the laser stoppers on the end so it doesn't damage the bag. Put that in there. I'll put that back in the box and probably take the batteries out. It'll be a lot easier because it's going to switch on as well. So, I mean, we'll see. Anyway, there you go. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Unboxing and a rotisserie ready for down the woods. Take care. Catch you next one. Thanks very much for watching.